Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I transform these gorgeous flowers to an aesthetic vintage flowers. So keep watching to the end. In this bouquet, we got several kinds of flowers. This is a Gumpy lemon, cute and round. Lysianthus champagne, a flowy flower. Some roses, we got peach, white and yellow petals. Baby pink carnation, fresh and lovely, often symbolizes gratitude. Eucalyptus leaves and some baby's breath to cheer up the bouquet. Okay, let's do this. First of all, undo the bouquet. I know that the bouquet itself is pretty, and why not preserve these flowers as they are inside the bouquet? Plus, it will be not easy to redo the bouquet once we open it, right? Well, the reason why will be answered here. The next step is to select the flowers. Since the florist wants to keep the bouquet hydrated for several days, it has a water pocket inside. That's why the stems are wet. To preserve well, we need to avoid water from the flowers, because otherwise they will get moldy or even rot. This step is essential to get better results, so take your time to examine one by one, wipe the excess water and dispose flowers that are already covered with mold, like this one. I personally wipe all the stems one by one to be sure. If the stem is too moldy, it will be also seen on the flowers. The petals begin to wither. By the way, I also uploaded a tutorial to preserve flowers. The link is down below and also up here, so make sure to drop a hi there. I also pluck off some petals that seem to fall off easily. Once done, we can hang them. It has to be hung upside down to keep the flower shape straight. Naturally, as a flower is dying, the stem will bend due to gravity, and once dry they stay in that position, so we won't be able to straighten them back because they are crispy and they will break. So make sure to hang them upside down unless you want your flowers in other way. I wanted to make an experience to hang the flower indoor and outdoor, so I split the bouquet in two and take the outdoor flowers with the sun. Is there any difference between drying them indoor and outdoor? Well, we will discover it very soon. Other reminder, keep the flowers hang up in ventilated area if you do it indoor to keep off any fungus. And now they are ready to be dried. Even if I say outdoor, they are not directly exposed to the sun since they are under a roof. And for the indoor, I keep them near a window. Three weeks later, here's the result. These are the outdoor flowers, and on the left side, the indoor flowers. Visually, they look pretty the same. They are both crispy and pretty, but I think the indoor flowers are crispier. Let's see how much they changed. The Gumpy lemon shrunk so much that it looks like a chrysanthemum for tea now. pink carnation. I love the color. The mini peach roses have darkened up a lot. The lisianthus. On the left side was the white rose and on the right side was the peach rose. I think there's no difference. Eucalyptus and baby's breath preserve their color pretty well. Lastly, let's compose these flowers into a beautiful assemblage. I prepared a vase with seeds and potpourri on the top. These red seeds are from a tree which I don't know how it's called. So I just make an arrangement by sticking out the tallest flowers at the back and the shortest in the front. If you prefer to keep them right back in the bouquet, you can also do it. That's how the fresh, gorgeous bouquet turned out to be an aesthetic vintage flowers in a vase. So, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video then. Bye!